The rear seat reminder technology is intended to remind you that there are passengers or cargo in the back seats. Here's how it works. The rear seat reminder is activated when one or both of the rear passenger doors open prior to the current trip, as this may mean that children, pets, or belongings occupy the rear seats. When the driver turns off the ignition, a single audible alert will sound through the vehicle's speakers, and a visual alert will display on the driver information interface, reminding you to check your rear seats. If your vehicle is equipped with Honda's Cabin Watch feature, you will also see an alert on the display audio screen, along with a live video feed of the rear seats. By default, the rear seat reminder function is on. To turn off the rear seat reminder, visit the Settings page, which is accessible from the home screen of your display audio screen. Under Settings, select Vehicle, then tap Meter Setup. Scroll to locate and select Rear Seat Reminder. Finally, to deactivate, simply tap Off. Note that the rear seat reminder is a helpful technology, but may not activate in all situations. For example, if during your trip you stop to fill up with gas. In this case, you would likely receive a rear seat reminder alert, but not upon arrival of your final destination. Rear seat reminder can be reactivated by opening and closing the rear passenger doors before turning the vehicle on again.